How Wi-Fi actually works. What if I told you? Your phone is talking to the air, right now, and the air is answering back. No wires, no magic, just Wi-Fi. But how does it work? How does the internet fly through walls, and somehow not fry our brains? Let's find out. This is Mind Hacked. Wi-Fi isn't internet. It's just the middleman. Your device talks to your router using radio waves, just like walkie-talkies or old-school radios. Except it's sending way more data, at ridiculous speeds. Think of it like shouting in a room, but in frequencies you can't hear. Wi-Fi uses specific bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. The lower one travels farther, the higher one is faster, but gets tired at walls. Okay, but how do actual memes and YouTube videos fly through the air? It's all just binary code. Ones and zeros. Your router takes internet data and converts it into radio signals. Your phone catches those signals and flips them back into usable data. Imagine sending Morse code, but at billions of beeps per second. It's like invisible lasers, shooting through your living room. Now let's talk about the through walls part. Wi-Fi isn't teleporting. It's reflecting, bouncing, getting absorbed. That's why your signal dies in the bathroom. Wi-Fi hates moisture and thick walls. So does your ex, probably. Higher frequency equals less range. That's why sometimes your bedroom has more drama than signal. Is it safe? Yeah, if you lock it down. Modern Wi-Fi uses encryption, so people can't just vibe with your data. And speed? That depends on traffic, distance, and whether your router is from 2011. Ever heard of Wi-Fi 6? It's the new kid. Faster, smarter. Less lag when 10 devices are all fighting over Netflix. But here's where things get sci-fi. The future of wireless isn't Wi-Fi. It's LIFI, light-based data transfer, 100 times faster, using LED bulbs. Your ceiling lamp could be your next router. And with 6G coming, we're basically turning the air itself into internet. So next time you stream a video, remember, you're literally hijacking invisible energy, decoding waves, and talking to machines through walls with light-speed precision. That is Wi-Fi. If your brain just said, "Wait, what?" hit that subscribe button. Because next time, we're explaining why you forget names the moment someone tells you. Spoiler, your brain's RAM is trash. This is Mind Hacked.